Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to log into your ING Direct online banking account. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so for this I'm going to use my laptop and I'm going to head on over to Google, and then from here I want to type in login ING Direct banking account, and then from here you want to click on where it says login under ing.com, and now you'll be brought to this page here. So what you want to do is enter your client number using your keyboard, or you can use this keyboard here, put in the access code and then click on login. If you've forgotten your code or access code, what you can do is click on forgotten your access code, and then there's 4 steps that you need to do. So put in your client number and your date of birth, click on submit, and there'll be a few more other steps to complete, like your mobile phone number, etc. And for whatever reason, if you can't log in, you can also give them a call on 133464, or that number there, if you're overseas.